Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our BBI University account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your BBI University account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like. I'm using my Chrome browser. So after selecting a browser, in search bar you can search for BBI University login. After searching for BBI University login, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says bbiuniversity.com, and after tapping on that search, it will take you to a login page of BBI University. And here what you can do is, in the right side of your screen, you can enter your username and password to log into your account. Just simply enter your username. After entering your username and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgot your password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password and then create a new password. So just create a new password and then come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your BBI University account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your BBI University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.